We are at the Porsche Experience and we are about to do a demonstration lap. I'm going to tell you all about this location, what it has to offer, and what you could do the next time you visit Atlanta. Stay tuned, Mr. Black Adventures coming up next. I got to go get in this car.
Mine is mashed potatoes, flowers like
We were at the Porsche Experience Center here in Atlanta, the car manufacturer behind the 911, the Cayman, and GT cars. You're looking at about 20 to 30 minutes from downtown Atlanta if you want to visit. The center offers several things, among them driving experiences where you can experience 30 different Porsche models, 90-minute to full-day sessions on either the south or the west tracks. They also have a simulator lab, and they also allow demo labs where a passenger can ride along. Among those courses, the south track is about a mile long. It's the original driver developmental course. The west track has more elevation changes and more challenging corners. Pricing for a driving experience is going to cost you about $800, while if you do one of the demonstration labs where you're riding along, you're looking at about $150. The simulator labs are ranging anywhere from $20 to on up, depending on how long you want to be in there and how many courses you want to do on the sim. From everybody I've talked to, the facility has gotten high remarks. Don't expect a full-on driving experience. This is more of a coaching, tailored circuit where you can kind of practice on things that would make you better in a car if you did own one. In addition, the facility offers a heritage museum where you can actually look at legendary cars from the past. They also feature a store where you can catch up on all the Porsche design stuff you can blow your money on. There's plenty of that, and it's not cheap, but hey, you can definitely get it here. One thing I would recommend, book early because it almost locks out the system. I believe it's like 3 days early, and if you have issues, you can always call in. They have a dining facility too here if you miss breakfast or you just want to take a break and have something to eat right before your next experience. I do feel this is something for the whole family. I took my wife and my daughter along, and they enjoyed the experience even though they were just spectating.
We're at Porsche here in Atlanta, and we're doing a demonstration lap. I'm going to show you about all the activities you can get into. I can't show you inside the car because they won't allow that, but you'll get a gist if this is something that you want to do next time you're here in Atlanta.
The operations here are like clockwork. Everybody was professional. We really had a great time, even just viewing people practicing. They've got the skid pad out here, wet driving. You can literally practice whatever you want to do. You do sign a waiver, so if you die, you know, that's on you. And I'm pretty sure if you wreck the car, that's on you too.
Oh, heart's racing.
Oh man, did you just get out?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's amazing, isn't it?
That thing it's going. It is going. That thing sounds amazing. I have one word for what just happened right now. Damn, that car can do that? Wow, that was absolutely incredible. Definitely must do that. If you next time you're here in Atlanta at Porsche, check it out, man.
As I mentioned before, there is the Heritage Museum where you can actually come down here. It's tucked away in the basement, so you got to go downstairs. But here you can see a lot of the vintage Porsches from the company, which is a pretty cool place to check out. And it's cool because this place, whether you're on a budget, you got $5 to get in for admission, or you want to do a driving experience for about $150, or you want to do the whole big, you know, whammo or whatever for $800, you kind of have the option to do whatever. And I think it's really something for anybody, whether you're scared, whether you're not scared, whether you're just, you know, a car enthusiast. Definitely a place to check out if you're down here in Atlanta. I can't recommend it enough.
Check it out. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Mr. Black Adventures. Talk to you later.